Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
So friend, everyone love to get discount at the time of shopping, of course you love to. So as a seller, if we give flat discount on our product, that can increase our sales and engagement on our products. So today we will learn how to give flat discount on Shopify products through Shopify seller panel. I am your friend Ashish Kumar and you watching your our learning channel Learning Digital. And our motto is learning for your earning. So without wasting a time, let's start this video. First of all, you have to come on Shopify admin panel by using your admin login credentials. After that, you need to find that product on you want to apply flat discount. So for that, you can search from collection section or you can direct search by product SKU. Collection section you can find on your left side under Proud CT tab. Or for direct search, just paste SKU on header search bar. Proud CT page will open and there you can find two price section, one is MRP and another one is for selling price. So in compare price you have to paste MRP and other field you have to put selling price, like MRP is 4,199 and we want to give 50% discount, so put price 2099 on this price field. After that, just click on save button visible on top header side. And in few seconds it will updated on your site. So this is the process to give flat discount on Shopify. Thanks for watching, keep like and share this video. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon.